Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can actually get more exposure on Google, outrank your competition, and of course get more clients. So first things first, I was trying to pull out your website, and this is very something that you need to take care of right away because it seems that you don't have a certificate of security installed on your domain, and this probably will scare a lot of people away from your website. And this is a very simple, easy fix. Whoever is managing your domain can actually do the install really quick, and in a couple hours should be done. But let's take a look and see the website. Um, of course, you can see the says of unsafe and everything. But other than that, let's take a look and see one of the things that you have to take in consideration is to add more relevant content. And when I say content, I'm not just talking about the images and the colors. I'm talking more about the text that your website has, especially here on the homepage. Why is that so important? Because when Google analyzes your page, they read through all these over here and they like to see a lot of information, a lot of relevant information. And if you include keywords, for example, gutter repair, Westchester, New York, that would be one keyword right here, for example, right? But you don't have that keyword here, you only have that location name here. But when you add that keyword and you surround that keyword with relevant content, that will help you, that will make Google understand that you are providing that service in that specific area, for example. And keep in mind that you're not limited to just one keyword. You can have multiple keywords through the whole website, but the ones that have more volume of people actually looking for those are the ones that you might be interested. So other than that, I can see that you have a lot of areas that you want to serve, that you service. So the possibilities of having a lot of keywords are really, really big. So I use this tool called Ahrefs, and this what does is they pick data from your website based on Google criteria. So this is kind of at the back end of your website. In other words, so we can see that you only being found for 12 keywords and you have 9 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that I mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. So think about this like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same principle applies here with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and dozens of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting keywords that you want to be found for, your rating is not going to go up. You're going to see this zero, and even if it goes up, but you're not targeting those keywords that you want to be found for, you're not going to see the results that your business needs. I'm sorry. So moving on, let's take a look and see the keywords that you're being found for. And here's one example. Gutter repair Westchester, New York. There's 40 searches a month. You're almost on the third page, on the 23rd position. You don't have any traffic going to your website, so you're missing a lot of opportunities. Because if you put it like this, there's like 40 people or 40 times that they're searching this a month, and you're missing this opportunity of having at least a few of them going to your website and actually try to get them to be your client. We're going to use this as an example on Google, and if we type this on Google, of course, the first thing you're going to see is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there. Then you have your traditional Google ads. This can be a powerful tool, but very, very powerful tool. But if it's not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot, not wasting, but investing a lot of money, not seeing the results that your business needs. Moving on, then you have your map section, and this is kind of confusing to me because I can see this. I'm not sure if it's the same as you. This is another company because it's a different domain. And when I was looking at it, it's a different website, but chances are you probably have a similar name to like them. But we're gonna see why these guys are ranking here number one. Hopefully it's not you, but or if it's you, you don't need to have this website pulled out here. But we're gonna open up this website and see why are these just for the purpose of the video, why they're ranking number one and what would you need to do so you can start competing with these guys. So if we open their website, we can see that they have a lot of information going on here. You can see here they have a lot of text going on, and they have more text here, they have more here. So that's probably why they're ranking number one. So if you want to compete with these guys, you have to at least double the content that they have based on the text that we're seeing here, and of course adding those keywords that in this case will be auto repair Westchester, New York. If we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they only have 5 backlinks because this is a specific page that they're targeting, right? It's not a home page, so this is a specific page that they have for Westchester as a location, Westchester County. And they only have 5 backlinks, helping them to be popular. And they're being found for 23 keywords just on this page. So let's take a look and see the keywords they have. And of course, this is not updated, but we can see 40 searches a month. And because they're ranking number 2, or they used to be ranking number 2, now they're ranking number 1, they're getting 8 visits straight to their website. So that can be 8 new potential clients. Westchester gutter cleaning could be another one. 150 searches a month. They're ranking number 7. They get another 7 visits to their website, to this specific page. Gutter cleaning, Westchester, New York, for another 40 searches. They're ranking number 3. Another 4 visits straight to their website. So you get the point. The more keywords that you have pointing to your website, the more chances of getting new clients you're gonna have. So I don't want to take too much of your time, but to recap all this really quick, make sure you get this fixed because this can scare people away. And even if you add relevant content and you power them up with backlinks, you really need to take care of this right away. When you're adding content, you gotta make sure it's original because if you copy and paste, Google is not noticed and you're not going to be taking consideration. And if you're going to be running a marketing campaign with backlinks, make sure that those links are really good quality. Otherwise, you're not going to see results that you probably need so you can have your website as a powerful tool for your business to get more clients every single month. Once again, my name is Alex. I hope you find this information useful. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.